85, descend and maintain 5,000.
Listen to the RNAV Yankee 28 left.
Expected visual approach, 28 left, flight 85.
We're expecting that, thanks.
For flight 893, turn right, heading 090.
090 for flight 893.
Flight 85, descend via the level, cross JUPAP at 3,700, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 28 left approach.
Okay, cross JUPAP at 3,700, clear the RNAV Yankee 28 left approach, twilight 85.
Approach water 6280 Romeo through 8,400, is Tango.
6280 Romeo, NorCal approach, roger, flight heading 160, VFR 6,500.
160, 6,500, 80 Romeo.
Runway Alpha, turn right, heading 180.
Right, 180, 6 Alpha. NorCal, Cessna 9526 Hotel, 1,500.
First, 9526 Hotel, NorCal departure, radar contact, maintain VFR at or below 3,000.
VFR at or below 3,000, 9526 Hotel.
November 6525 Charlie, NorCal approach, turn right, heading 090. 6525 Charlie, NorCal departure, turn right, heading 090.
Right, 090, 25 Charlie.
NorCal 2 Golf Kilo with you, 3,500.
7.2.
Your parser back 322 to tower.
NorCal 8 2 Golf Kilo with you, 3,500, going to San Carlos.
Alright, 2 Golf Kilo, NorCal approach, roger. Open altimeter 2994, flight heading 130, vector San Carlos.
130, 2 Golf Kilo, thanks.
Lima Alpha, turn right, direct Hayward. Southwest 322, 180 knots until Mito, contact Oakland Tower 127.2. Southwest 322, maintain 180 knots until Mito, contact Oakland Tower 127.2. Southwest 2510, turn right, heading 130.
Right to 130, Southwest 2510.
Runway 85, contact Oakland Tower 118.3.
Going to tower 18-3, twilight 85.
November 1 Lima Alpha, traffic, 10 o'clock and 4 miles. Southwest now, Boeing 737, 5,000 for Oakland.
Traffic inside, 1 Lima Alpha.
1 Lima Alpha, I had you on a 180 heading, no?
You told us to turn right, direct Hayward, 1 Lima Alpha.
Apologies, 1 Lima Alpha, maintain visual separation from that traffic, descend and maintain 4,000.
Okay, we'll maintain visual separation and descend and maintain 4,000, 1 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, 85, descending via 210, restriction speed.
November, correction, for flight 93, turn right, a right turn, heading 200.
Right 200, for flight 883.
November 1 Lima Alpha, do you have the Hayward Airport in sight?
We have the Hayward Airport inside, 1 Lima Alpha.
1 Lima Alpha, thank you. Cleared visual approach, runway 28 left Hayward.
Cleared visual approach to allow Hayward, 6 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, descend via except for maintain 6,000.
Descend via except maintain 6,000, Southwest 2063.
Approach Southwest 2077, level 5,000.
Traffic, 2 miles south via southbound, southeastbound, 5,000, Boeing 737.
Flight 893, for traffic after traffic westbound.
Got approach, turn left heading 070, reduce speed to 200.
Left 070, speed 200, Southwest 1077.
Southwest 113, contact Oakland Tower 127.2.
172, Southwest 130.
1 Lima Alpha, contact Hayward Tower 120.2.
Contact Hayward Tower, 6 Lima Alpha.
Southwest 2063, clear direct Mito. Southwest 2063, clear direct Mito.
Direct Mito, Southwest 2863.
Approach 80 Romeo Tango, back on course here.
Alright, Sierra Romeo, descent approved 6,000, correction, no, not yet. Alright, Sierra Romeo, you have traffic. Alright, 8 Sierra Romeo, turn another 20 degrees left.
8 Romeo, 20 degrees left, out in flight following now. This is the wrong direction.
To maintain 7,000.
Was that for 8 Sierra Romeo?
Oh, Southwest 2063, maintain 7,000.
7,000 now, Southwest 2063.
Approach between 102 4,000 feet, heading 130, we have Oakland in sight.
November 2 Golf Kilo, continue descent, proceed direct San Carlos.
See direct San Carlos, 2 Golf Kilo, thanks.
November 25 Charlie, VFR at or below 3,000.
At below 3,000, 25 Charlie.
November 26 Hotel, contact approach 121.3. Let them know what you want.
Press on 1213, 26 Hotel.
Southwest 2063, traffic off your right side, 1 mile, southeast on apply, 6,500.
Inside, Southwest 2063.
Southwest 2063, roger, we're going to box you around. Turn right, heading 300, maintain 6,000.
300 on the heading, 6,000 feet, Southwest 2063.
For flight A93, the Hayward Airport is off to your right side and 15 miles.
For flight 883 has the airport in sight.
Roger, Southwest 2510, turn right, direct Mito.
Right turn direct Mito, Southwest 2510.
For flight 893, clear visual approach, right 28 left Hayward.
Clear visual approach, 28 left at Hayward for flight 893.
Hey, Sierra, I'm turning right to avoid turbulence. I can't be doing this. I'm canceling flight 4.
Sierra Romeo, maintain VFR at 5,500, resume on navigation.
5,500, no navigation. Hey, Sierra Romeo, I want to cancel flight following. I don't like what you're doing with me.
November 8 Sierra Romeo, maintain VFR 5,500.
5,500, 8 Sierra Romeo.
For flight 893, reduce to slowest practical speed, contact Hayward Tower 120.2.
Practical speed, Hayward Tower for flight 893, thank you.
Push fatigue 102, 4,000 feet, heading 100, we local site.
60. Block. Southwest 2077, turn right, heading 160.
Right, 160, Southwest 2077.
Southwest 2063, turn right, heading 360.
I turn 360, Southwest 2063.
November 2 Golf Kilo, contact San Carlos Tower.
Tower, thanks. 2 Golf Kilo.
25 Charlie, climb approved, 3,500.
3,500, 25 times.
8 Sierra Romeo, descent approved, unrestricted.
Starting descent, 8 Sierra Romeo. I'm gonna give you a call later. It's unacceptable.
Southwest 2077, turn right, heading 180.
Right, 180, you're doing a great job, Southwest 2077.
He's not.
He is. Peak 102, turn right, direct, Oakland.
Right direct Oakland, fatigue 102.
Peak 102, cross 6 miles east of Oakland at about 2,000, cleared visual approach, runway 28 right.
Cross at or above 3 mile final, above 6,000, cleared visual approach to right, peak 102, sorry, I butchered that.
Peak 102, no problem, it's 6 miles east at or above 2,000.
6 miles east at or above 2,000, thank you, you're doing great, peak 102.
Oh, thanks. Norita Romeo, contact San Carlos Tower.
San Carlos Tower, 8 Sierra Romeo.
November 25 Charlie, contact approach 125.1.
Here, front.
Thanks. Southwest 2063, turn right, heading 180.
Right turn 180, Southwest 2063.
Southwest 2077, following company 12, moving to 1 o'clock, 4 miles, 5,000.
All right, we've got a company site, we'll follow them, Southwest 2077.
Southwest 2077, following company clear visual approach, runway 30.
All of them clear to visual 30, Southwest 2077.
Southwest 2510, Oakland Airport is 12 o'clock and 17 miles.
Port site, Southwest 2510.
Southwest 2510, thank you. Clear visual approach, runway 30.
For the visual 30, Southwest 2510, thanks for help.
Thank you.